Hoverglide has revealed an extraordinary backpack of its own design, the main feature of which is the automatic balancing system. The idea behind the backpack is that it's mounted on rails. When walking or running, the backpack compensates for vibrations by sliding up and down. According to the manufacturer, the Hoverglide Backpack compensates for up to 86% of the effort that people make when wearing a regular backpack. Moreover, the entire content of the backpack is up to 20% easier to carry. Hoverglide will keep the lower back and spine safe from excessive stress even during intense running. There are going to be two versions, for tourists with a holding capacity of 25 kilograms and for daily use with up to 11 kilograms of a maximum weight carried. ZEROi, a smart cap with bone conduction technology. Thanks to this technology, you can listen to music or make phone calls without earphones while staying aware of your surroundings. ZEROi helps reduce damage from sweat or rain down to zero. So don't you worry, you can keep listening to music in the rain. It has only one button to control all functions, the same one which serves to turn the cap on and off. ZEROi has a removable magnetic connector. The cable is quite easy to connect with one hand. This feature also reduces excessive vibration when connecting or disconnecting the cable. The battery's life is very impressive as well. You can listen to your favorite music for up to 5 hours. Banzai are indestructible sneakers that cannot be destroyed even with a hammer blow. The sneakers look like regular sports shoes and you can wear them every day without worrying about safety of your feet. These sneakers will protect you from all type of impact, for example, a hammer or a brick, or even more so from sloppy people who tend to step on the feet of others. Banzai shoes are made of a breathable, water-repellent material that can even endure high temperatures. Inserted steel plates were designed to protect the toes, feet and ankles from extreme external forces. The special construction absorbs the energy of impact and protects the wearer from serious injuries. Not only construction workers, but also firefighters and first responders can benefit from this type of shoes. Fitbo is your go-to lunchbox. When choosing between lunch in an office cafe or homemade food, many prefer the second option. It comes as no surprise because homemade food is much more delicious and there's more bang for your buck. By the look of it, Fitbo can be mistaken for a gadget, like a rotor or a voice assistant. But for sure, there are no electronics inside, though you can find convenient compartment for food and cutlery there. The lunchbox closes tightly and doesn't take up much space in your bag. The manufacturer came up with two color options for those who like dark and light shades. As it often happens with ingenious ideas, the first Senz umbrella was invented by a student when 3 umbrellas of his broke in a row. As a true designer and inventor, he took this nuisance as a challenge and decided to create a product that could withstand a hurricane without breaking or deforming inside out. Due to the innovative shape, this umbrella can endure 100 km/h gusty winds, and it also protects the user's back from raindrops and allow you to see in front of you. The unique aerodynamics allows Senz to literally withstand hurricanes without breaking apart or flying away out of your hands. There is proof of this kind of statement. Senz umbrellas undergo many unexpected tests. People jump out of airplanes with them, fly in wind tunnels and drive cars and motorboats in harsh environments. And the end product is the umbrella that can survive any weather conditions. CrossHelmet X1 is a state-of-the-art motorcycle helmet that will change your rides for good. X1 provides a 360-degree view, noise cancelling, smartphone connectivity and more smart features. Blind spots while riding are completely gone due to the revolutionary CrossHelmet AR technology. A built-in wide-angle review camera is projected onto the head-mounted display of the helmet. The screen looks like a car's review mirror, so the driver can easily use a panoramic view behind to navigate better. Safety LEDs mounted on both sides of the helmet improve the driver's visibility when riding at night. The cross-sound system is also included to control noise levels. It is designed to make ambient sounds quieter or louder for the biker while riding, depending on their needs. Fissot Modular Fishing Kayak is a motorized kayak that has been around on the market for almost several years. It's got no competitor models in its niche and has received praise from many clients. Fissot Fishing Kayak has a frame made of commonly used polypropylene that supports two fenders and a hull. The stability of the fishing kayak is also greatly enhanced by side fenders that can be engaged to distribute the kayak's weight. In the middle part, there is an adjustable bar that provides support when the rower or fisherman stands in an upright position. In addition to this, Fissot Fishing Kayak has also a 12-volt battery that provides enough power for the engine. It can last for 2 to 3 hours after being recharged for the same amount of time. The resulting electrical power of the whole system is 480 watts. Shoe covers is a reusable cover that automatically fits onto your shoe. Thanks to the ease of putting it on and taking it off, it's a must-have for workers who may need to get into homes multiple times, and there's no way they make clear and shiny floors dirty again. They don't even have to bend over to put the shoe covers on their shoes, and that is definitely an advantage. Just open it and step onto it, and the cover will be fixed perfectly. Shoe covers is a perfect solution for construction workers, plumbers, realtors, or anyone who needs to get in or out of their home all the time. Pocket Slingshot Pocket Shot is not just an ordinary slingshot. It is an incredible device which is very easy to use. It also possesses more power than any slingshot you have ever had in your hands. Pocket Shot is quite compact. It fits perfectly into a pocket and is ready for use in a matter of seconds. It uses steel balls of 8 mm in diameter as ammunition, and the larger the ball, the longer the rubber band will serve its purpose. The slingshot can use not only balls, it can be easily tweaked for shooting arrows using a special device. For marksmen who want more accurate shooting, there is a special device which allows you to pull and aim like a pro, and significantly increases accuracy when using the pocket shot. Zackees cycling gloves enhance the safety of a cyclist on the road. These were designed not by your average laypersons or amateurs. One of the leaders of the project is an ex-Google employee, along with his partner, Murat, an industrial designer from Invention. They are in charge. Zackees boasts such materials as high-end leather and textile. These gloves allow air to circulate, flow it around the hand freely, and as well prevent nasty sweat palms due to special materials. On the back of the glove you can see LED turn signals, which consist of several ultra-bright LEDs and resemble arrows. The electronics is encapsulated within a waterproof section, so you can give your gloves a good washing machine session. These are totally safe there. As for the batteries, you can use either tablet-type ones, which can be easily replaced if needed, or rechargeable batteries with a compatible charger. Kangoo jump shoes offer one of the newest fitness experiences that can be both fun and rewarding for kids and adults at the same time. The boots are designed to provide runners and professional athletes with an alternative to regular athletic shoes with less stress of the joints. To make it sound simple, it's a pair of boots with springs attached to the outsoles, and every time your boot hits the ground, the spring absorbs the impact and then forces the knee back up. During this process, you will burn twice as many calories as compared to just walking, and also you'll train and keep in shape your abs, thighs and glutes. These boots are also very popular in circles of leading fitness and sport medicine professionals.